In this video, we will discuss uh, leet code problem power of 2. Okay. So in this problem, given integer n, we have to return true if it is a power of 2, otherwise false. An integer n is a power of 2 if it is exists in the form of this 2 power n. N is equal to 2 power x, and x should be an integer. So if you see here, n is equal to 1, it is true because we can express 2, 2 power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. And n is equal to 16, which can be expressed as 2 power 4. 3 cannot be expressed as 2 power 4. So it's not a power of 2, so we return false. And the numbers range from minus 2 power 31 to 2 power 31 minus 1. Okay, so what is the characteristics of a number which is 2 power? Say for example, we'll take 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 16. So if you represent it in the uh, binary format, it is 1, and here you have 1 0. 4 can be represented as 1 0 0. 8 can be represented as 1 0 0 0, and 16 can be represented as 1 followed by 4 zeros. So if you see in all these numbers, there is only one set bit. Here you can see only one set bit for all of these numbers. So if we are able to find out by some way, like how if there is exist only one in the number given number, then it is a power of 2. To do that, we can use a simple formula. There are multiple methods. The one method is to simply use built-in pop count underscore pop count function and check if it is equal to 2. Before that, we have to also check if the number n is less than 0, then we have to return it as false. Else, we have to check this thing. Second method is, let's consider this number. If you subtract 1 from this, then it is like something like this, 0 followed by all ones. And if you do a bitwise AND operation, all will turn into 0 because uh, if any bit is 0, then the result is 0 for a bitwise AND operation. So here we can see like it will result into 0. So similarly, first we will check for n is equal to less than 0, return false. And if if it is not equal, then we have to do AND operation with n and n minus 1. And if it is equal to 0, then we can say like uh, it is a power of 2 number. Next, third is there is what is the maximum number that we can see the positive number here? 2 power 30. Okay, 2 power 30. If you do some sort of prime factorization for this, which can be expressed either in the form of 2 power 2 and 2 power 29, or it can be also expressed as 2 power 2 and 2 power 28. Like that we can express it, which means if this number can be divisible by any of the 2 power numbers, right? 2 or 2 power 29 or 28, 2 power 3 can also be expressed. So the whole logic is if 2 power 30, uh, 2 power 30, how we can represent it? Like 1 left shift to 30, and if the given number is divisible, so divisible means we have to take modulo operation, and if it is equal to 0, then uh, this we can say it as it is um, it is a power of 2. Okay, and the fourth one is we can take log base 2 of this number. If you take a log base 2 of any number, say n, the resultant should be an integer kind of value. If you take a log base 2 of 5, it will be like 2 point something value. But if you take log base 2 of uh, this number which is 4, then it is equal to 2. So if we check this whether this is resulting into a proper integer number or not, if we are able to check it, then also we can determine if it is a power of 2 or not. So how will we do it? Log um, log to the base of n is equal to typecast if it is equal to integer log base 2 of n. I'll write it here. So these are the four methods. I feel like we can do it. Please comment in the comment section like if you know any other methods. Okay, so thank you.